Wait, did you all think that I'll be in my black and whites sitting in a serious office with a background of a lot of barracks and thick law books? Yeah, no. Because I do that from Monday to Saturday and today is my day off. So I'm going to tell you how I went from being a clueless law student to an advocate practicing in Supreme Court of India. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Akriti. I hope you all are doing amazing. And for all of you who are new here, welcome to the community. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. So basically, I'm going to tell you how to become an advocate in India. Step-by-step process. I'm going to tell you everything. So this is going to be the only video you need to watch if you're interested in knowing the process behind becoming an advocate in India. So if you're interested, then keep on watching. So first things first, in order to become an advocate, you have to first become a lawyer. And आज भी बहुत लोगों को फर्क नहीं पता लॉयर और एडवोकेट के बीच में, तो मैं आपको बताती हूँ. अ लॉयर इज एनी पर्सन जिसने लॉ पढ़ा होता है. सो वंस अ पर्सन ग्रेजुएट्स अ लॉ कॉलेज, ही और शी becomes a lawyer. Now for example, बहुत सारे लोग कोई competitive exams जैसे यूपीएससी की तैयारी कर रहे होते हैं, but they also want to do a degree side by side, तो वो law पढ़ लेते हैं and they also become lawyers. And a lot of corporate lawyers are also not advocates but just lawyers. But advocate बनने के लिए you have to go through this whole process जो मैं आज आपको बताने वाली हूँ. And unless and until you are an advocate, आप courts में practice नहीं कर सकते. तो पहले lawyer बनने के लिए you have to get into a law school. Now in India, there are two ways to become a lawyer. First is through a 5-year integrated law program and the other is 3-year law program which you do after your graduation, which I also did. So guys, if you are someone who's preparing for CLAT, this is your golden chance. For a limited time, PW is offering its CLAT batches at the lowest price ever. This is the Vishwas Divas sale and this is their biggest offer of the year. You are going to get 65% off on their CLAT 2026 and 2027 batches. In batches में आपको मिलेगा live and recorded classes, experienced faculty and top-notch study material, mock tests and DPPs and everything that you need to boost your CLAT preparation. और अगर आप CLAT के साथ साथ IELTS और 7 other law entrance tests की भी तैयारी करना चाहते हैं तो go for pro batches. इन बैच में आपको वो सब मिलता है जो आपको नॉर्मल बैचेस में मिलता है, but along with that you also get access to all the upcoming batches, printed modules and PYQ books, खजाना package and much more. और ये सारे बैचेस आपकी स्क्रीन पे हैं and this offer is valid till 10th of March. So if you are interested, I think this is the best time to get enrolled in these batches to get into your favorite law school or the NLU of your choice. Also guys, you can also use my coupon code AKY500 for additional discount. So I will leave the link to all of these batches in the description down below, so go check them out. After you get enrolled into a law school, you will have the best time ever for 5 years or 3 years, whatever you choose to do. 3 years of law school was very fun to me until I met CPC and jurisprudence. But all in all, I survived it all. और जब मेरा law school खत्म हुआ, I graduated, yay! But अभी डिग्री तो आई नहीं थी. So what you have to do is you have to get a provisional degree after you graduate. But that is also not easy guys. You will have to pay multiple visits to your college, your administration office. क्योंकि जो आपकी मेन डिग्री होती है वो तो 1 साल या 2 साल बाद आती है. आप उतना वेट थोड़ी करोगे एडवोकेट बनने के लिए. So my next step was to get a provisional degree from my college. I had to go to my college 2 or 3 times to finally get my provisional degree. पहले अपनी सारे सेमेस्टर की मार्कशीट्स लेके जानी थी to prove कि हाँ मैं हर सब्जेक्ट में पास हो चुकी हूँ. Then I had to get those mark sheets stamped from my college office. Then I had to again go to the admin office and get my provisional degree. And I finally got my provisional degree. Although it was a struggle, it was also a bahana to meet your college friends again after college. भाई वो इलेक्शन चल रहे हैं ना यार, और बंद में डिटेल करके रखा हुआ है. So I finally went back to North Campus जहाँ पे मेरा law school है. But before going to the college, I had to go to the examination department of the North Campus of Delhi University. वहाँ पे जाके हमें पता चला कि we have to get several printouts. तो हम पास वाले मेंस हॉस्टल के पास प्रिंटआउट्स लेने गए. हालत ख़राब हो चुकी है. हम आए हैं क्या करने आए थे हम? हाँ, हम अपनी प्रोविजनल डिग्री के लिए एक्नॉलेजमेंट देने आए हैं। और इतनी गर्मी है आज, इतनी गर्मी है। समहाउ जब भी हम कॉलेज आते हैं गर्मी होती ही है, चाहे हम कभी भी आ जाएं। Surprisingly, we did not get a long queue outside window 4, and all we had to do were some formalities, some signatures, and our provisional degree was to be uploaded online. And during this time, elections were going on, and I almost forgot how our college's condition is at that time. And this time, trust me, it was worse. मतलब मेरे टाइम पे था, बहुत था. मैंने उस वक्त एक वीडियो भी डाली थी, बट इतना भी बुरा हाल नहीं था. There wasn't even 1 inch on the wall that was left empty. So we had to attest all of our semester's mark sheet and also write a letter for migration certificate.
पेमेंट भी कर देंगे क्या है?
कुछ पेमेंट करके तब मिलती है, तो आप अपना प्रोविजनल।
मैं प्रोविजनल डिग्री मैंने 2 बार LLB की है। जिसके लिए एक मेरे दोस्त की है,
इसकी है।
एंड ऑफ कोर्स गाइस, हम बिना नींबू पानी पिए नहीं गए कॉलेज से. अब your next step is going to be applying in the state bar council of your state. So I live in Delhi. I wanted to get enrolled in Delhi State Bar Council. So I applied to the Bar Council of Delhi. My main struggle started from here. तो मैंने कितनी visits की होंगी, साथ में मिलके काउंट करते हैं. पहले फर्स्ट डे में गई थी सिर्फ फॉर्म लेने के लिए, उसके लिए भी बहुत लंबी लाइन थी. वैसे तो BCD के टाइम से 10 to 4, बट आई रिकमेंड कि आप बहुत जल्दी पहुंच जाओ क्योंकि वहाँ पे बहुत लंबी लाइन भी होती है. एंड दैट फॉर्म इट सेल्फ इज अ बुकलेट, तो बहुत एक्सटेंसिव है वो फॉर्म. उसको भरने के लिए ही इट टुक मी अ वीक. उसमें बहुत सारी फॉर्मेलिटीज लगती हैं. यू ऑल्सो नीड टू गेट स्टैम्प्स ऑफ 2 experienced advocates who have been enrolled for more than 10 years now. Then you also need to get a stamp paper and all of that. Guys, finally took the bar enrollment form. So excited. तो एक हफ्ते में वो फॉर्मेलिटीज खत्म करके आई अगेन वेंट टू BCD जस्ट टू सबमिट माई फॉर्म. So before going to the Bar Council of Delhi office, I had to go to Tisazari District Court in the morning because I had some work there. उसके बाद आई थिंक इट टुक अ कपल ऑफ वीक्स टू गेट माई फॉर्म वेरीफाइड. तो आई थिंक ये वेरिफिकेशन वाला पार्ट लास्ट ईयर से ही ऐड हुआ है. सो बेसिकली दे आर सेंडिंग योर फॉर्म्स बैक टू योर कॉलेज फॉर वेरिफिकेशन, ताकि कोई भी फ्रॉड वकील ना बन पाए. येस गाइज, आई एम लुकिंग एट यू. चौधरी चरण सिंह ग्रेजुएट्स हु नेवर अटेंड अ सिंगल क्लास एंड स्टिल मैनेज टू बिकम एन एडवोकेट, इस साल से बहुत स्ट्रिक्ट हो गया है. एंड येस, इस बार बहुत लोगों के फॉर्म्स वेरीफाई नहीं हो पाए बिकॉज वो एक legit university से नहीं graduated है. So after waiting a couple of weeks, my verification was finally completed. Then when my form got verified, I went there to submit my fee. और last year तक लोगों ने 10,000 से लेके 14,000 तक फीस भरी है for Delhi Bar Council enrollment. But all I had to pay was 750 rupees thanks to the Supreme Court judgment of July 2024, जिसमें the apex court held that none of the state bar councils can charge fees more than what is prescribed in section 24 of the Advocates Act. So we are lucky, हमारे टाइम पे फीस बहुत ज्यादा कम हो गई. From now, each and every one of you will just have to pay 750 rupees no matter from which state you belong. Paying 14,000 as an enrollment fee is absurd. Once your fee situation is settled, you will be invited to your enrollment meeting, and I was so excited for it because I have been impatiently waiting for this moment. क्योंकि मैं already court जा रही थी but as an intern, and the moment I become an advocate, मैं अपने गाउन और बैंड पहन के जा सकती थी. So I was really excited. So it was finally the day of my enrollment. I went to the court in the morning, and then after that I went for my enrollment meeting. Hey guys, so today is my enrollment day. Right now I'm going to Supreme Court for some work, but after that I have my enrollment meeting at Bar Council of Delhi, so I'm really excited. Yes. Guys, अभी आप एक लॉयर से बात कर रहे हो, लेकिन शाम को एडवोकेट. I liked every minute of it. I don't know why people hate it and find it boring, but we went in as lawyers and came out as advocates, so it was really special. I though had a lot of celebration at home also that night. उस meeting में all the presiding members, the chairman, the co-chairman, vice president, everybody gave speeches, and they obviously talked about how noble our profession is and how our futures are going to look like in the near future, the struggles of being an advocate, the good parts, the bad parts. We talked about it all. Shri R.S. Goswami, who's a member of Bar Council of Delhi, he holds some position that I don't remember, but he's also a very famous family lawyer, and he told us
कि ऑल्दो फी कम हो चुकी है तुम्हारी, बट आप ही लोगों के लिए बेनिफिट्स कम हो जाएंगे अब.
he told all the Delhi University students to raise hands, and most, when I say most, I mean 90% of the people in the room were from Delhi University, and he praised Delhi University a lot. I will insert clips if I have. And he also asked people from Chaudhry Charan Singh to raise hands, and none of the hands were raised. So इस बार काफी strict हो गया है verification process.
ये नहीं मानते एजुकेशन तो सब एक सी है, चाहे आप चौधरी चरण सिंह से करो, चाहे बिहार से करो, चाहे रोहिलखंड से करो, चाहे झारखंड से करो, वही किताबें हैं. लेकिन एजुकेशन की क्वालिटी क्या है, तुम्हारी सोच क्या है, तुम्हारा मन क्या है? केवल वकील बनना या अच्छा वकील बनना? हम चाहते हैं कि आज जब आप यहां से जाओ, जो पुरानी कमियां रह गई आपके अंदर, जो गलतियां रह गई पढ़ने के अंदर, जो सिंसियरिटी नहीं रही हो आपके अंदर, वो कम से कम आज जाने के बाद एक अच्छे वकील के रूप में, एक सीनियर के रूप में, एक सॉलिसिटर के रूप में, और एक दिल्ली हाई कोर्ट के जज और सुप्रीम कोर्ट के चीफ जस्टिस के रूप में आप लोग स्थापित हो.
So try to get yourselves into good universities, guys. But anyway, we were served refreshments, और फिर हमारी attendance हुई. We were handed our bands, बहुत special लगा. And then हम बाहर आए, and then we were advocates from that day. But if you think कि अपने आप को State Bar Council में enroll कराना is enough to become an advocate, you are wrong here. आपका जो State Bar Council में enrollment होता है, that is a provisional enrollment, which is only for 2 years. Within these 2 years, you have to crack All India Bar Examination, popularly known as AIBE. ये national level test होता है जो हर lawyer को देना पड़ता है in order to become an advocate. You can't avoid it. अगर आप 2 साल में AIBE नहीं देते हो और इसमें पास नहीं होते हो, तो आपका provisional enrollment cancel हो जाता है and you stop being an advocate. हमारा तो हो चुका है. So AIBE is your final step to get your permanent certificate of practice. So as of today, I'm practicing in Supreme Court. So this was my journey from just arguing to arguing and getting paid for it. So if you found this video helpful or at least entertaining, then don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you all next time.